The Spiritual Blueprint, Nona Orbach.
די. די.
All choices made in a studio are part of the person's internal language, their most inner, genuine essence, which is as old as we are. It is called the spiritual blueprint.
עשיתי שני קווים סגולים.
שני קווים סגולים.
פיפי. מה את אומרת? לסגור פה? לא.
מה את חושבת?
לסגור.
לסגור.
מה את אומרת? פה לא.
מה שאת חושבת, מאמילי. שנייה, נמי. אני מקליטה משהו.
She asks me to write in her artwork, a girl on the right, her toys on the left. The symmetry between the girl and her toys emphasizes belonging. Each group of stickers is also dealing with symmetry. Grandma, give me an idea. It's the only time she asked me to give her an idea. I place a box with postcards on the table. She cuts an old painting into stripes and glues on another paper. She became interested in photography using my phone. We can notice that symmetry is important to her. What we do and what we choose hold similar archaic blueprint traits. Comparison of 3 ages. On a family trip, each grandchild got a matchbox with a piece of folded paper. The red sign is the Japanese torii gate I glued to symbolize the beginning of a journey they will create. Her association was the pi sign, and she used her mobile to check if she remembered the numbers. She then took out her colored pens to work on them. For this presentation, I asked her to send me 2 or 3 images that she likes from her camera. This is what she chose to send me.